Welcome, Diecast lovers. It's me, Sweet Diecast Boy. I got a little something for y'all. Met up with my friend. He uh he he and I made a little trade, and as you guys can see right there, I traded him some goodies and he gave me some goodies. And I really think I got the better end of it. I'm gonna show you guys right now what he got me. He got me this beautiful right here, this Hauling Gas Felix. I am gonna save this one because this Felix cars is actually here. Um, Felix the cat. There is a automobile dealer here with this same logo. And God, look at them wheels, man. Beast. You gave me that. You gave me this other Holland Gas Milky Way. I mean Milk Duds. My bad. Hershey's Milk Duds. Awesome. 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 This guy is awesome, man. He gave me something a lot of you guys been looking for, and so did I. I haven't seen this at all. He gave me this Gorilla. Awesome, awesome, awesome. He gave me one that I already had. I don't know. I might, I might get them wheels off of it. I don't know. Anybody want to trade for it? Let me know. He gave me this. He also got me this beautiful Hotbird. If anybody want to trade the car or the kit rider for this, let me know. Or something. I need that Back to the Future truck too, or that custom 2014 Mustang. You know what I'm saying? He gave me this Volkswagen Beetle from Footloose. I don't think I've seen that movie, but this car sure looks awesome. And the one I was really waiting for is this Back to the Future, the Time Machine, the DeLorean. This is awesome. So yeah, guys, that's my little, it's not a haul, it's just a little trade video that I did with one of my friends. But if y'all know me, y'all know what I do. I crack them. I crack them. I like feeling them in my hands. Awesome, man. Those big tires, just dope. Sick. I want to keep this one so badly in there. But this one, I don't really care. Ready to come out. Awesome. Sweet. 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 Look at this. Volkswagen Beetle. Out, baby. The license plate. Awesome. What do you want? I'm doing a video. I don't care. Shut up. I don't care. Shut up. Don't talk to me right now. Hauling gas. She decided to take it out. Sick, right? Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. This one I'm not cracking because I already have one out. This one I'm not cracking either because I already have one out. Now my beautiful DeLorean. How many would keep this in there? I know many of you guys would. But me, no. Me like taking it out. Whew. God, this is awesome. This is awesome, guys. Sweet. Sweet. Yup. Damn, look at all that detail in there. Well, yeah, that's my little trade video. Hope you guys liked it. And I'll see you guys in the next one, man. 5 awesome cards out of their package. Who does this, man? Only Sweet Diecast, boy. Bible. Deuces.